about to make hot cocoa cookies. I'm not making it from scratch. I like these the Betty Crocker double chocolate chunk cookie mix. It's just easier, and I'm not doing it from scratch like I said. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to take 1 stick of softened butter, 1 tablespoon water, and 1 egg. Okay, so I put a stick of butter in there, 1 egg, and a tablespoon of water. Stir this until soft dough forms. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on and get this stirred up. We'll be back when I get it all mixed together. So I got it all mixed up. I decided to use a metal spoon instead because it was easier. Okay, now I use parchment paper. We take these and we put them 2 inches apart by the spoonfuls. You use a teaspoon, which I'm just going to use this little spoon. I'm going to put them on the cookie sheet, and I'll show you when I finish filling that up. I got them on the cookie sheet. I'm going to put them in the oven I'm going to check them in 8 minutes and see if they're done. Done. Let them cool for 2 minutes, and then we'll put the marshmallows on. Put the marshmallows on top. I got the mini marshmallows. You can use any size marshmallow. I just happen to have a bag of this. So, put them on top. Put them back in the oven for about a minute and let the marshmallows melt. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven for about maybe a minute, and we'll let the marshmallows melt. I put it on for actually 2 minutes for them to melt, and they'll sit on there for a little bit. Okay, so the cookies are done, and that's how I make the easy version of hot cocoa cookies.